Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce redness on your face. First, understand that identifying and avoiding common triggers is key. These might include harsh skincare products, extreme temperatures, or certain foods. Opt for a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser and moisturizer to support your skin's natural barrier. Consistency in your routine, using products designed for sensitive skin, can significantly diminish visible redness over time, leading to a calmer complexion. When selecting skincare, prioritize ingredients known for their calming properties. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, helps fortify your skin's protective barrier and reduce inflammation. Green tea extract provides powerful antioxidants that combat environmental damage and soothe irritation. Additionally, Centella asiatica, often called cica, is excellent for repairing compromised skin and promoting healing. Incorporating these can make a noticeable difference in reducing persistent facial redness. Beyond your skincare routine, lifestyle adjustments play a vital role. Always protect your skin from the sun by using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or more, even on cloudy days. Extreme temperatures, like very hot showers or cold winds, can worsen redness, so opt for lukewarm water. Furthermore, managing stress through relaxation techniques can help, as stress is a known trigger for many inflammatory skin conditions, including facial redness. While many cases of facial redness can be managed at home, it's important to know when to seek professional advice. If your redness is persistent, worsening, or accompanied by other symptoms like burning or itching, consult a dermatologist. They can accurately diagnose underlying conditions such as rosacea, eczema, or perioral dermatitis. A specialist can recommend targeted prescription medications, advanced topical treatments, or even laser therapies for more effective and lasting relief.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.